Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling auto wipers in reverse gear on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to have the rear wipers automatically come on when you put the car in reverse. Follow the steps to learn how to turn this option on or off on your Seat Arona. Tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Scroll down the settings and tap Mirrors and Wipers. Under the Wipers heading, tap Rear Window Wiping in Reverse Gear. If there is a check in the checkbox, the setting is turned on. If there is no check in the checkbox, then the setting is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.